This charming home is nestled away in a quaint community of the flats and just a short walk or bike ride to downtown Manteo. The original owner has taken a hands-on approach to home ownership as this home is in pristine condition. Featuring hardwood floors, double-hung tilt-wash windows, 9 ceilings, custom cabinetry, GE appliances, large wrap-around porch with Trex composite decking, landscaped yard, low-maintenance exterior siding, 30-year architectural shingles and generous attic with full set of stairs for convenient storage. Updates and improvements include fencing, exterior storage shed, stairs leading to attic, water heater, refrigerator, Trex decking and gutter guards. Primary bedroom features ensuite bath with large vanity and walk-in closet, and guest bedroom has direct access full bath off hallway, and there is also a separate laundry room that can also be accessed from the wrap-around porch. Additionally, there is the potential to add a third bedroom under the current footprint if an additional